Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many laptop users face. We're going to talk about the energy consumption difference between two HP laptops, the ZBook Firefly with an A500 RTX graphics card and a 100-watt USB-C charger, and a ZBook Power with a 2000 RTX graphics card and a 150-watt barrel charger. So, here's the problem. If both laptops are running the same applications, will there be a difference in their power consumption? In simpler terms, if the ZBook Firefly is sufficient for your needs, will you lose anything energy-wise by opting for the ZBook Power? Let's find out. In the solution to our problem, it's crucial to note that the ZBook Power with the RTX 2000 graphics card hold an efficiency advantage over the ZBook Firefly with the RTX A500. This is primarily due to the newer ADA architecture and 5nm process used in the RTX 2000, compared to the Ampere architecture and 8nm process in the RTX A500. The RTX 2000 offers over double the performance of the RTX A500 while drawing slightly more power. Hence, in graphically accelerated workloads, the RTX 2000 finishes tasks faster and uses less energy, making the more efficient choice. In summary, the ZBook Power with the RTX 2000 graphics card is more energy efficient in tasks requiring heavy graphics processing compared to the ZBook Firefly with the RTX A500. So if you're running applications like games, 3D rendering, or AI, you'll benefit from the improved performance and efficiency of the RTX 2000. Remember, choosing the right laptop for your specific needs can make a significant difference in energy consumption and overall performance. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.